Well, no coffee this morning because my coffee maker has fried. It just stopped working all of a sudden, so time for a new coffee maker, I guess. There we go. It's been nice, it's been fun, good memories, but there you go. Alright, so it has been a lazy day. We have not done much at all today. For some reason I am not getting... There we go, that looks a little better. We haven't done much at all today. It's been kind of a lazy day. But right now we are going for a little walk to the grocery store. Max has been working on his own videos, right?
Yeah.
Yes, he's been filming.
Mermaid Barbie videos.
Yeah, he's been filming all day.
And it's called Mermaids in the Sea, something like that.
Mermaids in the Sea. Yes. We're seeing how long you would go until you noticed.
What if she didn't even notice?
And I guess
Without us.
Mia ends up in Japan and she turns around. Where are they at? What?
You could have not gotten lost.
So we were just a little bored, even though there's no plans. I feel really out of breath today. But
We haven't went nowhere today.
no, we have not done. It has been a lazy day.
Weekend.
Not weekend. It's just Saturday. Weekend just started. But you know what? I was thinking we'll get some rentals at the machine that they have at this store. It's not a Red Box. It's a DVD Express. But we'll see what they have.
Will we walk there? Yeah.
No, Mia, we're driving there right now. Yeah, we're all in the car right now. Can't you tell? Here, let me drive.
We're not.
Well, you asked if we were walking there. Why? Why?
I like spending time with you. Just wrestle with that.
Ow! Ow!
Take me.
Don't cross the street. You see any ducks? No ducks today?
They're probably better low.
You brought it, you hold on to it.
Hey guys, they're probably hey guys.
Yeah, they are. They're over there.
Where?
Over there. There's a whole bunch.
Oh my god!
There's
I
like,
don't see any.
there's like 20 of them.
Okay, so we see them. I can't see them. I see them. I can't.
There's a whole bunch and there's a lot more in the back.
I like those ducks, so there is ducks here.
Yep.
I'm still watching them. Still, we were just watching.
Yes.
Remember you said that when I decide to leave, we can leave. Right?
Yeah, they're talking to us. They're coming up here. Here they come.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, they're getting closer to us.
Hi, duckies!
I count 16 of them and there's a lot more back there.
Oh, all of them are coming over here.
Yep. Now let's get this camera.
Where?
No, the next one.
This?
Yeah, okay. Okay, good. Put
I'll
it in.
carry it.
You gonna carry it?
No.
Okay. Dump it in there.
Well, are we done?
Not yet.
Okay. What are these? Are these donuts or what?
No, that's gonna bread. Yes, we already have cheese at home.
What are these? Flavored milk?
No, that's not flavored milk. That's juice.
What can we do?
But that's Mia. I can get that somewhere. What are you doing, Max? What are you doing there? Getting down?
Or just plastic.
What are you doing, dude?
I just tripped over the stick.
Because you're not watching where you're going. And you almost landed it on Mia's head right now. Alright, nobody touch the stick. No, leave it alone.
I just touched it.
Leave it alone.
No.
Whoa. Ow! Ow! Ow!
I'm tapping your camera.
Ow!
Wait, is it recording?
Yes.
Sorry.
Alright guys, it's time to make some dinner tonight for the kids. We are having grilled cheese and French fries tonight. That's what we're having. Max says that we're having seashells. You drop one. Seashells that we collected at Long Beach, Washington. But
Looking to see if there's any crabs.
you guys go finish cleaning up your room while I cook dinner. And I'll show you what we're gonna make. Well, I already told you, grilled cheese and French fries, but we'll show you here. Alright, so you're gonna need your cheese. I like to use Velveeta. And then we have your bread. I'll use that bread, the remainder of that one, and then we'll move on to this one. And you also need your butter. So, and then of course I already have some French fries. I just put them in there. So have those in the oven there. Alright, now I know that everybody will probably have their own ways of making their grilled cheese. But this is how I make it.
Hi, Daddy.
And yes, my kids are
broke something.
being weird again.
Voila!
That was your trick or treat thing when you were 1 year old.
Was I Elmo?
No, you weren't Elmo.
What was I? Go Power Ranger!
You really liked Elmo when you were little. That's all you ever wanted to watch, Sesame Street.
Elmo?
Yeah, he had an obsession with Elmo.
I'm a Power Ranger.
Ah, is your room clean? Is your room clean? Is your room?
No,
All right.
Still not helping.
Let's go check your room.
Mia's not helping.
Let's go check your room. You've been in there for about a good 45 minutes.
Mia's been goofing off. Why?
Yes. You guys have a lot of cleaning. Yes, it looks even worse than before.
Yeah, that.
You know, this one will be for me because it's got the end pieces of the bread. I know a lot of people don't like the end pieces, but I've always liked the end pieces. Can't let it go to waste. But there's one right there. I'm gonna make a few of these. Since it's me and the kids tonight. I don't have Alicia tonight, but I get her tomorrow. So you'll get to see her in tomorrow's small town adventure. But not in today's. Right, now Max, there you go. Max likes pepper on his grilled cheese. So gotta put pepper on his. There you go. A lot of cleaning up still, but it's coming along. Coming along. Alright guys, so dinner is officially ready. The grilled cheese is ready. I got Max's over here. It's got the pepper on it. That's how he likes it with his french fries. I got Mia's with her grilled cheese. Max has two of them also. With her french fries, I got some little a thing for with the dipping sauce. I got the ketchup over here. And this right here is Max's hot sauce. He loves Tapatio, so I put some Tapatio right there. And that'll be for the kids right there and me. This is my plate. I'm not really having any french fries. I'm not craving fries, so I'm going to stick to grilled cheese. And here's some leftover grilled cheese. I made plenty, as you can see. I made a bunch, so we have plenty of leftovers if the kids want more, if I want more. But there you go. Dinner is served and ready. And that is what we were up to tonight. We got some extra fries over here. Time to relax. Alright guys, so didn't really do much today, as you can see. Ah! 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 Ah!